Are you really good at what you do, whether you're a corporate professional or an entrepreneur? But when it comes to shopping for the perfect black pant, it can be overwhelming, it can be frustrating, and it's finding that fit for your body type. Hi, I'm Annette, certified image consultant, and I work with successful, smart women just like you, helping you to find ease in finding the styles that fit your body type, helping you to simplify the process, and at the end, finding those pants that are perfect for your body type. So I want to welcome you to Feel Good Fall Series. And today we're going to talk about finding that perfect black pant. But before we do that, let's just talk about, let's put it out there. Pants can be frustrating, right? I will tell you, every client I work with asks me, Annette, help me to find a pant that fits me well. So I want to let you know that whether you are a 2 or a 22, I'm going to agree with you, pants can be difficult to fit. We think that we can just walk into any store and we go to the pant department and it's like, okay, we need to replace our black pants. And there's something that's not quite right. Or now it's gotten even a little more difficult now that you've got to shop online and again, order in lots of different styles and finding that fit for your body type. So I just want to share with you something that no one talks about. And these are, if you will, preferences. They are measurements that you need to be aware of when finding that perfect black pant. So let's start with preferences. And what I mean by that is, are you looking for a straight leg? Are you looking for a wide leg? Are you looking for a boot cut? Are you looking for a skinny pant? Or are you looking for a crop pant? There are a lot of different styles to consider. So if you know your preference, if you know your body type, now this is something I talk a lot about in my Reveal Your Radiant Style Academy. And it's about what is your body type and getting very clear about the styles and cuts that are right for your body type. Okay, then the next phase that we need to think about is we need to think about your measurements. And it's not just your waist measurement, which is very important, but you need to think about your rise, the front rise from your crotch to your waist. You also need to think about the back rise. You need to think about your hips. You need to think about your thighs, the opening of the pant in your thigh area. Are you somebody who likes a really, snug fit? Maybe you're somebody who likes a little bit more ease to move around. And then, of course, you need to think about the inseam. So these are all preferences and measurements that you probably have never, ever thought about. And this is something that I take into consideration when I am working with my clients and making sure that we get really clear on what those measurements are so that we aren't wasting a whole lot of time ordering in pants or wasting time, shopping all the stores to find out that these are not going to fit you. So I want to give you a little example of that. So many times you may have your fashion forward girlfriend or somebody that you know is a great shopper, and they're like, okay, you have to try this pant. So one of the brands I've been hearing a lot about is the Veda brand. So I personally ordered in a pair, tried them on, wanted to see what all the hoopla is about the Veda brand. So this is the thing that you need to remember. Just because they are the perfect black pant for your friend Susie, they may not be the perfect black pant for you, because we are not cookie cutter women. There is nothing wrong with your body type. There is nothing wrong with you. But just know that not every black pant is going to be a perfect fit. So I have to say this up front about the Veda brand. Their sizing is I had to order a whole size bigger than what I normally would wear in my everyday pants. Come on, Veda brand. I didn't like doing that. Okay, I'll get over it. But one of the things that I did like about the Veda brand was about the measurements. On the website, they had all of those measurements that I just shared with you for you to be very in tune to and know what your body measurements are. Another thing I hear a lot of women, there are many who love pockets. These Veda brand pants were full of pockets. I'm not really a pocket person. Why? Because I carry my weight in my hips and I don't want that extra bulk. Although they do a very elegant job on hiding the pockets. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and our talk about finding the perfect black pant and knowing that it is not a cookie cutter. And I go back to one of my philosophies, and that is, I believe that style begins with the woman and not the clothes. So it's knowing, it's identifying what are your preferences, what are your measurements, and aligning those with the brand that works perfect for you. I want to invite you to download my ultimate style guide to feeling confident and empowered with ease, where I talk more about your basics, I talk about styles, and you can download this at AnnetteBond.com/style guide.